way peaceful stuff. Yeah, like 30 degrees or 29 degrees out there. What this for, yo? So you know, my gloves. Welcome to a vlog, not a video. Today we'll be replacing a motor for this machine. Yeah, it got burnt out. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've just been busy, man, busy. So you know, I'm here starting back, you know, getting on top of things, and you will learn how to replace a motor today. I'm going to show you step by step what to do, so just stay tuned. All right. Right here, this is just a pen tester. We're just going to test if it is powered. So there isn't power here because the switch is off, but and there's no power coming from downstairs because the breaker is off. You know what I mean? Right now we're just going to test just to make sure there isn't any power at all. So this is a more accurate reading of like voltage instead of using a pen tester. You know, sometimes pen tester isn't that accurate, you know what I mean? But it's good to have it, you know, just to make sure if there's power. You check. Once there's a red light, then you know that it's hot. You know what I mean? But this is what you need to use if you want to get it. So we test, make sure all leg. You know what I mean? So this is enough. 0. Alright, so we can go ahead and start working. So always, safety is always first. Always make sure the power is off. You know, you can't, you know, risk yourself getting electrocuted. You know, downstairs, if you turn off the breaker, for example, at the box, make sure you tag it. You know, lock out, tag out. Safety is always first. Motor busted, not good. If you look closely, you'll see it's burnt out. You know, there are several things that could cause the motor to burn out, you know what I mean? But I think this was pulling too much amps. It tripped the breaker downstairs and then we just turn it on rather than just calling an electrician, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna get this sorted out today. This is a brand new one. So if you realize it's wired, so this motor is for 460. It's wired for 460. You know, it's hard to get a motor wired for 460, especially because, you know, the normal voltage would be 110. I'm sorry, that's 122.40. But this is a commercial. This is a commercial building, so it goes from 120, 208, 480. You know, 480 being high voltage. You know what I mean? So we had to get this motor. If you look closely, this motor can be wired either 230 or 460. All right. Yeah, so right here we just took the fan off, my partner and I, so we can work a little bit better right here. So this is inside the duct. Okay, so we need to give this a good clean. Yeah, but it's not that bad. I think they're due a clean, so the next time you come around we'll be cleaning that. So we're gonna take the motor off right now, disconnect it from the wiring, and then get the new motor on. So normally when I purchase a motor, I purchase it and wire it myself, right? In this case, they already wire it, which I didn't ask for. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna open it and just make sure everything is correct before I mount it in the make sure everything is correct before I mount it in the fan. All right, my guy right there just loosening the bolts to take the motor off. Now I'm gonna check this motor right now. All right, so the thing about three-phase motor is that you just change any two lead wires, whether it's the white, red, or black. So you change any two wires to change the rotation of the motor, because this is three-phase. Now, if it's a single-phase motor, you will have to interchange the T5 or T8 wire. So always remember, to change the rotation of the motor for a single-phase motor, you will have to interchange T5 or T8 wire. If you look closely, right, all the wires are color coded. So we have right here, we have T1, which is blue, T2 white, T3 orange, T4 yellow, T5 black, T6 gray, T7 pink, T8 red, and T9 is red and black. So this schematic show you everything to wire the motor. It's not that hard. Just follow the schematic, wire the motor for the correct voltage, and you'll be okay. All right, so my guy, he unbolted the motor, but we will have to loosen the disconnect the wires right here before we can actually pull it out. So just hold on to that for me, and so right now we mounted the new motor, and then now we're gonna just connect the wiring in this box right here. Test it, put on the pulleys, make sure everything is wired correctly, secured correctly, and then yeah, we should be good. Yeah, changing the motor is an easy 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Just need to check and make sure it's pulling correct amperage, it's spinning in the correct direction, and yeah. So right now we have the pulleys on, the belt on, made it a little bit slack. I want to test it first, then tighten the belt, then check the amperage. I still have this open, so when I connect the power, I want to check the rotation. So this is where the fan shows you which direction the blade should be spinning. So that is clockwise. So I gotta turn it on, make sure it's spinning in the correct direction. If not, I just switch any two wires and it goes in the opposite direction. And then we mount it back on the curb, and yeah, we're finished. You know what I mean? So we just gotta check, make sure the amperage is fine, and yeah, we should be good. Go downstairs, make sure it's pulling or it's supposed to be pulling. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the control panel where we have the contactor and the overload relay. Now, wasn't getting enough power to the roof. It should be, so we're getting 490 volts coming in and 170 coming out of this relay. So made some checks, it's actually bad, so we will have to replace this relay. So right now I just bypass it, and the power is going directly from the contactor to the fan. Yep. So we got to go back up on the roof, make sure everything is good with the fan, and then we should be finished. Where it should be, and yeah,